Hey everybody, Chris here, and today I'm excited to share with you the secret sauce behind why Kajabi is the ultimate game changer for your business. So let's dive right in. We're going to start with the very first reason of why Kajabi is the number one go-to tool for your online business. Kajabi offers a one-stop shop for all of your online needs. It's like having your entire business command center in one place. Your website, landing pages, funnels, podcasts, blogs, email hosting, CRM, checkout pages, and online membership sites, all neatly bundled into your Kajabi subscription. No more logging on and off to different services trying to get them all to connect together. No more headaches, just pure productivity and peace of mind. And let me tell you, simplifying your workflow and boosting productivity has never been easier. With everything you need right at your fingertips, you can focus on what you do best, creating quality content that your audience will love. Say goodbye to online confusion and welcome an easy, organized business experience. With Kajabi, your success seriously has no limits. The next reason why Kajabi is the best tool to use is its excellent customer service. Kajabi understands that personal touches make a big difference in business. Their customer service feels like having a tech-savvy friend always ready to help. On the growth plan, you get 24/7 live chat with real people who care about your success. New users will also get at least 2 one-on-one coaching calls with Kajabi experts to help set up your business and answer questions. By the way, when you sign up with my affiliate link, apart from the 30-day trial period, instead you get a standard 14 days, you will get a free Kajabi Jumpstart course that will answer your top questions. And this is all just to make sure you get a good start with your Kajabi journey. Let's continue discussing why their customer care service is such a big deal. Kajabi's Help Center offers clear, helpful videos on every part of the platform. If you're more of a social learner, the active Facebook community is full of entrepreneurs ready to give advice, share experiences, and support you. It's like having a mastermind group at your fingertips. Now, capabilities. So let's go on to the reason number 3, which is Kajabi's superior course creation capabilities. Kajabi is the best for creating online courses. Whether you're an educator, hobbyist, or pro, Kajabi makes course creation very easy, and here's how. With Kajabi, you don't need a computer science degree. You can build interactive and engaging courses using their simple drag and drop builder. No coding, no complicated setups, just creativity, which is what we're all here for. Kajabi also offers tools like quizzes, surveys, automated emails, and drip content. This means your students get notification, encouragements, and quizzes automatically. It's like having a team of assistants to help your students engaged and on track. Engagement is key in online learning. The more interactive your course, the more students will complete and recommend it. With Kajabi, you can create an immersive learning experience that keeps your customers always coming back. Kajabi also makes it easy to add videos, slideshows, audio files, and downloads. You can create a rich learning experience for everybody. Whether you're making a masterclass, tutorial, or membership site, Kajabi gives you the tools to create engaging and effective content. It's not just about sharing information, it's about creating a memorable experience. You can also track student progress with your Kajabi analytics. Find out which parts of your course students love and where they start to drop off. This helps you improve your content. In summary, Kajabi's powerful course creation tools make it easy to engage students and create high-quality courses. Ready to improve your online courses? Kajabi is the way to go. So, moving on to reason number 4, and it is Kajabi's powerful marketing automation. This might sound complicated, but it is a game changer, and Kajabi does it perfectly. Kajabi's marketing automation lets you set up email campaigns, segment your audience, and create personalized customer journeys automatically. So for example, you can create email sequences to welcome new subscribers, nurture leads, and even send birthday wishes. One of the best features is creating automated pipelines. Think of pipelines as a marketing assembly line guiding customers from sign up to becoming loyal buyers. Kajabi handles every step smoothly like a digital assistant. Kajabi's analytics lets you track email open rates, click-through rates, and conversions easily. You can see how your campaigns are performing with clear data. No guessing is needed. Plus, Kajabi automates your entire sales funnel from lead generation to follow-up, ensuring no customer is missed. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson. So, reason number 4 why Kajabi stands out is powerful marketing automation. It saves you time and keeps you and gives you a personal touch with your audience. It's like having a marketing expert in your pocket helping your business grow. For the 5th reason we'll talk about of what's really important, money. You might think, isn't Kajabi more expensive than other platforms? And let me explain why Kajabi is worth it. Think about using different platforms for your website, email marketing, online courses, and CRM. Each one has its own fee, and those fees do add up quickly. You could end up spending a lot of money each month. Kajabi is an all-in-one solution. For one monthly fee, you get everything you need: a website, landing pages, email marketing, online courses, CRM, and more. Here's a comparison cost if you need separate services. Website hosting can range from $20 to $50 per month. Email marketing services like MailChimp typically fall between $10 and $50 a month. Online course platforms such as Teachable may cost $29 and $79 per month. CRM systems like HubSpot vary from $25 to $300 a month. And a landing page builder for like lead pages usually ranges from $25 to $48 per month. These costs can total $150 to $500 per month, whereas Kajabi's basic plan starts at $149 per month and covers all of these features and more. It's like getting VIP service but without spending a lot. Kajabi isn't just about saving money though, it's all about getting a great value. You get an integrated system that works smoothly together, saving you time and reducing you problems. This lets you focus on creating great content and growing your business. Plus, Kajabi offers a 30-day free trial with my affiliate link, giving you more time to explore the platform. And normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within that first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and is easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who honestly wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. And that brings us to the end of this session on why you should be really looking at using Kajabi for your online business. But wait, we have a bonus point, and it's the Kajabi Hero Program. This program is a fun way to earn badges and rewards as your business grows. Every time you reach a new milestone, you get recognized by the Kajabi team. It's like getting a high five and a cool t-shirt to show off your achievements. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Happy creating, and I'll see you on the inside.